Hello, what's up, guys? With your favorite Johan Sagala in the bodybuilding podcast. No, I'm just kidding. So today, I wanna to talking and discussion with all of you guys about the news podcast YouTube channel. The news podcast uploaded videos from Fuad Abiad. Okay, one of my favorite bodybuilding podcast, of course. Fuad Abiad interview with Milo Sarcev. The news video available. And I think this is kind of like one of the most favorite bodybuilding podcasts because so much really informative and so much value benefit if you watch this podcast from Fuad. They talking about training, they talking about comparing mass monster with aesthetic, they talking about the veteran of bodybuilder, give critiques to modern bodybuilder. This is kind of like the really informative, guys. And today we're gonna learning and discussion together with this topic. And I'm gonna invite you guys because you all know I would love to invite you to learning more and more, especially in bodybuilding. So before we go jump into it, please click the bell button, subscribe, share, like, and comment. And this now time for us to discussion.
Going back to the main point about the veterans of the sport, like even Lee Haney, the great Lee Haney has mentioned some things. How do you think that should be approached, and do you think it's okay for them to be giving such critique on social media?
Yeah, well, it's a touchy subject, and I'm gonna for the first time express my opinion. Of course, I come from the era of the 90s. Yeah, I started in 91. Lee Haney's 80s and Robbie Robinson 70s and Barry DeMay 80s, 90s, right? And they're raising opinion of normally what? They like aesthetics over just pure size.
Yeah, guys. If you didn't know and if you never know who is the Milo Sarcev is, well, Milo Sarcev is one of the old school guy bodybuilder coming from the 19th era, which is with the Dorian, with the Ronnie, with the Lee Priest, like he said, Barry DeMaio, and all of this guy, okay? Well, not all of this guy, but like Lee Haney, Robbie Robinson, Milos, him, Lee Priest, Sean Ray, of course. This guy, old school guy, like I mentioned, typical person who love the aesthetic more than size, more than mass monster. They thinking and they have strongly opinion, bodybuilding it's not about size, but it's about aesthetic, symmetry, proportion, and everything. Okay, so let's continue this.
Aesthetic is oversized, so maybe they're saying in that direction, but they're not using right words and expression, and then it's condescending, and it doesn't reflect a good way. I agree with you. So of course, if I would be some of those guys, I would be offended. But
now catching what the Milo Sarcev statement, guys. Okay, if he being the modern bodybuilder right now, if Milos was the position as a bodybuilder right now, modern bodybuilder right now, who have the typically the physics of the size mass monster, and he get the critique from the old school, like a Sean Ray, like a Barry DeMaio, like a Lee Priest, like every one of this guy, okay, who always talking and putting modern bodybuilding down, he will get offended. Milo Sarcev himself tell this, okay? Milo Sarcev, he's coming from the old school guy from the 91s, from the 19s bodybuilder who have the aesthetic, of course, and he's gonna be offended, and he understand if he being the modern bodybuilding get the critique by the old school guy, because the way of this old school guy saying about the modern bodybuilding. Okay, I don't have any problem, guys, because you all know I really hate the people who always putting down the modern bodybuilding and always compare the golden era, 19th era, it's better than modern era right now. It's really bullshit stuff. Come on, guys.
I was guilty of saying in one of the podcasts about Nick Walker before the Arnold Classic that I just don't see that aesthetics, right? So I stand behind it. He's not the aesthetic guy.
No.
But the second he stepped on that Arnold Classic stage, within 30 seconds, so, oh my God,
Yeah.
he's hands down winner. Okay, so me, aesthetic guy, judge for 40 years I'm in this sport. Well, I've seen him winning. Why on the vid show? Yeah, he has all the muscle. He has the so much dense, separated, striated, hard muscle. He kept his stomach super tight at all times.
Yep.
And make himself look, more aesthetic. And he
Yep.
was dwarfing them in the size, and it was great conditioning. So
Yeah, remember the issue of what Robbie Robinson and Barry DeMaio and Lee Haney made? They give their opinion, they give their critique of the Nick Walker when Nick Walker win the Arnold Classic 2021. Okay, they give their critique, they give their opinion, but the way he give opinion and critiques, it's like putting the Nick Walker down. And that's what kind of like the most disgusting, okay, in bodybuilding. If you want to give your opinion, if you want to give your perspective, your critiques, just look at another way and thinking what the really great way, the good way to give your opinion and get the understand from Nick Walker, and Nick Walker can get accept and can allow your opinion, and Nick Walker don't think without thinking you're putting him down. That's what you need to think, okay? But the way he critiques, the way this old school guy give their opinion, it's really putting down. And Milo Sarchev is really making the good point, okay? I think old school bodybuilder, okay? I think all of the old school guy need to learning and need to watch this and be open-minded. Look at the Milo Sarchev. I think Milo Sarchev really one of the old school guy who really give the respect to modern bodybuilder right now. Good things, okay? I'm happy with Milos.
when I look at Regan, that's as aesthetic as they come. Like, oh my God.
Yeah.
That's 70s, 80s, 90s bodybuilding. That's, so if he polished this, how is this going to look?
Mm-hmm.
So I am on board with, old timers. I would like aesthetics to be brought back into bodybuilding.
Well, yeah, it's not problem, okay? It's not problem at all. It's not problem at all, of course. If you love the aesthetic guy, if you love the aesthetic type physics, it's not problem at all. But doesn't mean it's make you to talking trash and making the some criticizing and talking trash about the bodybuilder right now. It doesn't make sense, okay? If you want to give your opinion, okay, do it, okay, good. But how the way you give your opinion and how the way you give your critics, it's being problem. And that's what we talking about this topic, okay? The way you give your opinion and the way you give your critique, okay? It doesn't matter if you really love the aesthetic guy, if you really love the mass monster guy, it doesn't matter. What the matter is the way you give your critique and opinion. That's the problem of old school bodybuilder, I think.
If you look at Nick Walker and let's say Regan, the same conditioning. Okay, same conditioning. Okay, yeah, Regan still needs to make a little bit more improvements in size. But assuming that he does, right? How do you judge? If you consider.
Now, Fuad give him really make sense statement. Okay, you have to watch this, guys. Okay, continue this and watch what Fuad gonna say. it's really make sense, and I'm really 100%, 1000% really agree what Fuad said. Watch this.
Everything.
If you're asking me if Regan has potential to be a top Olympian, I would say 100%. He has the potential. He has the structure. He has the insertions. He definitely needs to fill out his body because he's, I've seen Regan in person many times. He's got a very big guy structurally. His wide shoulders, taller. So yes, he has potential to beat Nick. But Nick also is very, very dense. And I don't think aesthetics tell the whole story. They're only one piece of the puzzle, right? So you have to be able to put the whole puzzle together. And as of right now, Nick has done a better job doing that. But my point more is, like these older bodybuilders like Barry, like yourself, like Lee Haney, they love aesthetics. I think everybody likes aesthetics. I when I look at a picture of Flex Wheeler, or when I look at a picture of you, or I look at a picture of any of these Lee Haney, I'm blown away. But the difference is I'm also blown away by a picture of Jay Cutler or Kai Green or Nick Walker. So I have an equal amount of respect for the aesthetic bodybuilder and the mass monster.
Boom, boom. That's the point of all of the videos right now. That's the point of all of this video right now. Fuad already said this. Okay, I said that. Thank you, Fuad. Thank you so much. Okay, so what kind like Fuad said, it really makes sense, and I'm 1000%, not 100, 1000% agree with him, because so much misconception, misconversation with this old school guy. Old school guy cannot adapt what kind like the criteria for winning the title Mr. Olympia right now. It's not the same like the 19s again. It's not the same like the golden era again. Okay, the modern bodybuilder now, it's just look at of the size, it's look at of the mass, but at the same time they not nail the conditioning and they not nail the symmetry, and that's what making the modern bodybuilder right now is looking more bigger than back then guy 19s, the golden era. Okay, everybody have the some kind of like what the type of the favorite of their physics, their favorite physics. Some people may like the golden era, some people may like the 19th era, some people may like the modern bodybuilder era, who looking for the freakish mass monster. But okay, doesn't matter, you really love the golden era 19th modern bodybuilder, it doesn't mean you need to talking trash and compare the era between era, because the criteria how they give their judge, it's different from the era, from the decade to decade. So that's the whole of the video, guys. And one thing that I want to show you, the Fuad Abiad said, this is like really you need to hear anymore. So listen to this.
Because I know exactly what it takes to build both. Yes. And I know each person is playing to their strength. So I would never talk poorly about a mass monster or poorly about an aesthetic guy. And I feel like that's where the conversation gets lost. Fair to say it's just muscularity, because I think people mistake aesthetics and structure and proportions. Aesthetics just means you like the flow or the way the muscle inserts. But structure and balance and proportions is the muscle even from top to bottom, side to side?